In the depths of classified hangars, a silent beast was born. A drone unlike any the world has seen before. This is the X-47B. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the X-47B is a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle engineered for missions so dangerous, no human pilot could survive. This isn't just a drone, it's a message, a statement of power, precision, and preparation. Built for the skies, but born in secrecy. First tested in 2011, the X-47B performed autonomous takeoffs, mid-air refueling, and carrier landings, all without a single pilot on board. While the world focused on conventional warfare, the US quietly prepared for the wars of tomorrow. Electronic warfare, ghost missions, deep strikes with no trace left behind. Why did the US keep this a secret for so long? Because it changes everything. From surveillance to full-scale strike missions, the battlefield is no longer human. With autonomous decision-making, the X-47B identifies targets, avoids threats, and completes missions on its own. This is not science fiction. This is now. And this is just the beginning. Rumors speak of upgraded variants, cloaked missions, and full drone squadrons already in deployment. The age of autonomous warfare has begun. As the world watches in silence, the X-47B soars into history not as a machine of war, but as a warning of what's to come.